To begin with, let's look at some new vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Phenomenon. Phenomenon. This means an occurrence, event, or a fact, or a remarkable person or thing. Lunar. Lunar. This means of, determined by, or resembling the moon. Celestial. Celestial. This means relating to the sky, outer space, or heaven. Trifecta. Trifecta. This means a run of 3 things or grand events. Simultaneously. Simultaneously. This means when 2 or more events occur at the same time. Coincidence. Coincidence. This means when something happens by chance. I will now read to you an article taken from the Independent newspaper. This article was written by Andrew Griffin and published on Monday the 29th of January 2018. Super blue blood moon. Excitement grows for stunning lunar night sky. Other names for the phenomenon not seen since 1982 include the purple eclipse. The moon and those who watch it are preparing for one of the most unusual nights in years, a triple bill of lunar phenomena. On the night of the 31st of January will come the super blue blood moon, or the purple eclipse. That's a blue moon, a blood moon or lunar eclipse, and a supermoon. None of these events are rare in themselves, but the collision of lunar phenomena is. Nothing like it has been seen since 1982. The vision will be seen all the way from the west of North America to the east of Asia. And for everyone else, some will be seen, if only through the various live streams that will run on the day. The overlap of a blue moon, the second full moon in a calendar month, with a lunar eclipse while the moon is at its closest approach to the Earth is the first such celestial trifecta since 1982, says Noah Petro, a research scientist at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center outside Washington, D.C. Just having these 3 things simultaneously occur is unusual, he adds. A blue moon is not extremely rare, but it's a nice coincidence that it happens in conjunction with these other 2. The moon will reach its fullest on Wednesday at 8:27 a.m. EST, 13:27 GMT. A blue moon normally occurs about once every 2.5 years. This month's first full moon was on the 1st of January. The blue moon will be a supermoon, which occurs when it's at or near its closest point to the Earth or perigee. A supermoon is about 14% brighter than usual. Wednesday's moon will be the second closest of 2018, after the one on New Year's Day. The lunar eclipse, which takes place when the moon passes in the Earth's shadow, will last almost 3.5 hours. It will start at 6:48 AM EST, that's 11:48 GMT, and peak at 8:29 AM EST, 11:29 GMT, NASA said. The total eclipse will be visible from the western United States and Canada across the Pacific Ocean to most of Australia and China, as well as northern polar regions. The eclipse will give the moon a reddish colour known as a blood moon. I'm calling it the purple eclipse because it combines the blue moon and a red eclipse, Richard Talcott, a senior editor at Astronomy magazine, said by telephone. Petro said the eclipse is also a scientific opportunity for researchers in Hawaii who will study what happens to the moon's surface when it quickly drops from 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius in sunlight, to minus 279 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 153 degrees Celsius in darkness. The speed of the cooling can show what the surface is made of, such as rock or dust, he said. Now you have listened to the article, see if you can answer these comprehension questions. Number 1. What is unusual about the moon on the 31st of January? Number 2. When was the last time this was seen? Number 3. How often does a blue moon usually occur? Number 4. What is unusual about a blue moon? Number 5. Why is it being called a purple moon? For more information, please visit www.stepintoenglish.co.uk. Here you will find more information about Step Into English, including what makes us different from other online English tuition companies. You can look at our prices and services to find out about our one-off English lessons, our courses of 5 and 10 English lessons, and other services such as CV writing, children's tuition, and coaching. You can visit our resources page where you can download some information and guides to help you with your English. And you can visit our videos page where you can find more videos such as this one. All our English lessons are written just for you and are delivered personally via Skype. I hope you've enjoyed this Step Into English video and I look forward to working with you in the future.